Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, and as you can see, we're jumping straight into the tutorial. So I was super excited to come back today with another wig install, and as you probably guessed, yes, this wig is from Amazon. The last few wigs I've actually been posting and mentioning are all from Amazon, and I will be linking all the details below like always. But yeah, I have actually been loving all of my wigs, all of the hair that I get from Amazon. All of the hair quality has been superb. The hair comes really fast, and I really haven't been having any kind of issues with the hair, and it's super affordable. All of the wigs that I've been posting are just $100, including this one. This one was $100, y'all, so you really can't beat it. And I was super excited for today's video just because I have never done this color. And as you guys can see, it's the Burgundy or the 99J color hair. I thought this hair would be perfect for the fall time. It is starting to get a little cooler outside. I thought this would be perfect for the season, and you guys, I ended up loving it. Like at the end of the video, you'll see the finished install. I was loving it. I was loving it. I was really feeling this color. And I'm surprised because before, like, I never wanted to try the red color. Like, I kept skipping over this color. Like, I never did my red hair phase. And I'm shocked. I'm shocked that I loved it as much as I did. But you guys are going to see that at the end. So, yeah. And another little quick disclosure that I want to throw out there, you guys are going to see me look off camera a whole bunch. And I'm sorry, you guys. I was watching Baddies season 2 reunion. So if you've been watching season 2, then you already know. If you haven't watched season 2, y'all are missing out. Like, y'all are missing out. But if you do, if you haven't watching it, then you already know. Okay. If you know, you know. It was just so much going on in the reunion, and I just kept getting distracted. I couldn't even help myself. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So my apologies, you guys. For those of you who have season 2, you've been watching season 2, comment down below who is your favorite one on the show. Y'all already know I love me some Krishan, and not even gonna lie, I like Rolly too, so probably Rolly and Krishan. So y'all tell me who is y'all favorites, because season 2 they had me in a chokehold from start to finish, not even gonna lie. Now, if I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I almost did not post this video just because of how beat down and tired I looked in this video. You guys, I had such a long day, so please just go easy on me in the comments. I had got up at 6 a.m. to get up and start my day. I have 2 jobs, and I worked both of those jobs that day, so it was just a very, very long day. And mind you, I got up around like 6, and this was around like 12:30, 1 a.m. Like, this was like late at night. So I was super tired, very long day. My makeup was worn out. My contacts was drying out. So just give me a break. I promise you next video, I'm not going to be looking so worn out. I promise. And this is what I was talking about when I said I just kept getting distracted. Like, I had to edit out so many clips of me just doing this. Like, I couldn't even help myself. It was so good. The reunion was so good. I think that's the part when, like, Scotty kicked Rolly. It was just so much going on. It turned into like a full brawl, just pure entertainment. Shout out to Zeus Network, because y'all come out with some good shows. Y'all need to give me a show too. So a little side note, I definitely missed the step when I was getting ready to put this hair on my head. So I actually shampooed and conditioned the wig a few days before I was ready to actually put it on. So I let it air dry. And then when I was actually putting it on, I didn't blow dry it. So that's why it's so wavy. It actually took a lot for me to try to get it straight without blow drying it. So save yourself the trouble. Definitely make sure if you're straightening the hair, go ahead and blow dry it. It just makes the process a whole lot quicker. So this little step right here is something I've started doing on all of my wig installs, all of my hairstyles, and it's really like made my hairstyles look 10 times better. So I learned how to go in with like my razors and my scissors and just do some layering on the hair. And when I tell you guys, it just does so much for any kind of hairstyle look, like straight or curly. It just makes the hair look so good. It gives it a little bit more volume and just really turns up the hairstyle. So if you guys want a video on how I layer my hair, definitely leave that in the comment below, request that down below, and I'll make sure I get that video up for you guys. Yeah, so the more I look at it, the more it's warming up on me. I've actually never done this color before, and I am loving it. Like, I'm loving this color. It's like the perfect fall color. It's definitely different. Like, I feel like I'm spicing it up a little bit. So yeah, I love it. I love how it came out. The hair is super soft, super soft. It's not real thick, but like I said, I don't mind hair not being super thick. I think this is like very natural density, so I love it. It's not super I love it. Like, this feels like a fresh like perm, like a fresh silk press. Like, I actually love the hair. It's not too long, and I put layers in it. So now I want to say it stops like right here. So I did like dust the ends just to make them a little neater and put some layers in it, but I love it. And for this to be my first time trying this hair color, like, I'm eating it up. Like, I love it so far. So yeah, from Amazon, I want to say it was like $100, $120. It was not super expensive hair, because y'all know I don't do super expensive hair anymore. There's no need. So yeah, I'm definitely going to link this hair in the description box below. Let me know if you guys check it out, how you like the hair. I love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.